Trying to buy YouTube Premium, but getting the "we couldn't verify your country" error? You're not alone. This happens to thousands of users every day. In this video, I'll show you the real reasons and how to fix it fast. This error usually happens because YouTube can't confirm your real location. If you're using a VPN, turn it off first. YouTube blocks purchases when your IP address doesn't match your country, but that alone doesn't always fix it. Next, clear your YouTube app cache. Old location data can confuse YouTube servers. Restart the app after clearing cache. Now check your payment country. Your billing country must match your real location. If they don't match, YouTube blocks the purchase. Update your billing address to your current country. After updating, wait a few minutes for it to sync. Then try purchasing again. If it still fails, here's the fix most videos miss. Your browser or phone location permissions might be blocked. Turn on location access for YouTube. This helps verify your real country instantly. Avoid public Wi-Fi when purchasing. Try switching to mobile data instead. Sometimes your Google account region is outdated. Make sure it shows your current country. If not, update it and save. Then sign out and back into YouTube. This refreshes your account location on Google servers. If needed, restart your phone too. Now try again. It should work. You're in. Enjoy ad-free videos and downloads. Pro tip, always purchase from your real country. Using fake regions can get subscriptions blocked later. Quick recap. Turn off VPN. Clear app cache. Fix billing country. Enable location access. Use your real network. Tell me in comments if this fixed your problem. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next fix.